In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all memories in ChatGPT. If you've been using ChatGPT for a while, you may have noticed it can remember certain details you share to personalize future responses. That feature is called memory. Deleting all memories wipes those saved details in one go, which is useful if you've been testing ideas, shared preferences you no longer want stored, or just want a clean slate. Let's walk through it clearly from inside the ChatGPT interface. First, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile. Depending on your setup, this might appear as your avatar, initials, or a small profile icon. That opens a panel with options tied to your account and experience. From there, click Personalization. This is the area where ChatGPT's behavior and preferences are managed, and it's where memory settings live. Inside Personalization, find the section labeled Memory. Click Manage. You'll now see your memories listed. These might include preferences you've shared, ongoing project notes, or other details that ChatGPT has saved to tailor replies. This is a great spot to quickly review what's been stored before you proceed. To remove everything at once, look to the top right of this memory page for the three-dot icon. Click it to open more options. Then click Delete all memories. This command is designed to clear the entire set of saved memories in a single action, so you don't have to remove items one by one. In many interfaces, you may see a brief notice confirming that the cleanup is happening or asking you to review your choice. That's normal, and it's there to prevent accidental deletions. Once the deletion completes, your memory list will be empty. This doesn't delete any of your past chat conversations, and it doesn't export or remove other account data. It only clears the stored memory items that help personalize future replies. If you continue using ChatGPT with memory enabled afterward, new details may be saved again as you interact, but the old ones you just removed are gone. That's all there is to it. You clicked your profile, opened Personalization, went to Memory, chose Manage, used the three-dot menu at the top right, and selected Delete all memories. It's a quick, effective way to reset personalization and start fresh whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to review your settings anytime you want more control over